certainly see the need out there. We know how badly hit Frankfort, Kentucky was. Everyone is calling, from the small donations to the big donations. Brooke just told me her grandmother called in. She was watching us, and she wanted to make a donation. And you've got a donation, Doug.
We do. We have a great visitor with us. First of all, we're going to give that number again, 502-582-7227. That's toll-free for any of you watching WHAS 11. And don't forget, 9:15, a drone show begins, then the fireworks at 9:30. Tony Coyler is joining us. You probably have seen his ads on television. And Tony, you're a real face, a Louisvillian, with a law firm here in town, and you've come into our studio. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me, and thank you to WHAS and American Red Cross for putting this together so quickly and inviting us to participate.
I know you are giving a donation, but I know you wanted to talk about how, being a local firm and you being a Louisvillian, that you wanted to give back.
Well, when I was little, my mom used to tell me when we see something on TV that kind of upset us, she'd always say, look for the helpers, right? And, you know, the helpers would give me hope as a little kid, and now that I've gotten older, I can be a helper, and everybody that's watching right now can be a helper. And the message I think we're trying to send is, you know, if you've been affected, if you've been displaced by these storms, by this weather, that the city of Louisville's got your back. Coyler Law Firm's got your back. WHAS has got your back, and that's the best part about being involved in this community, I think.
All right. We thank you so much for coming in. Thank you for supporting the fundraiser for the American Red Cross.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
All right. Good to see you, Tony. Thank you so much. Once again, here's how you can donate. Give us a call, 502-582-7227. Our folks here really want to talk to you and get your stories. I know you've been talking to some folks. What have they been telling you so far?
Oh, they've been saying that they are just happy